No one believes in you. Good. That means you have nothing to lose. Let's be honest. You're not tired. You're distracted. You're not busy. You're avoiding. You keep saying one day I'll start, one day I'll change. There is no one day. There is only today, and you're wasting it. You say you want to win, but you keep acting like someone who loses. Winners don't wait for motivation. They don't need perfect conditions. They move when it's uncomfortable, when it's boring, when it hurts. Right now, someone out there is working harder than you. They're tired too. They're doubted too, but they're still moving. And if you don't wake up, they take your place. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a discipline problem. You quit too early. You think too much. You act too little. So decide right now. Are you going to stay average, or are you finally going to do something about it? Because one day you will win, but not because anyone believed in you, only because you refused to stay weak.